Hi, Tyler here with Quality Water Treatment, and today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the SoftPro pH Neutralizer Calcite Water Filter to see if it's the right solution for your needs. If the pH balance in your water is below 7.0, it's considered corrosive acidic water that can corrode any metals it comes into contact with. The SoftPro pH Neutralizer water filter can help you stop this acidic water from damaging your pipes, as well as protecting your family from the unhealthy acidity in your water. Private well water or surface water can be acidic and corrosive to cause metals such as copper and possibly lead to be dissolved into your water. Acidic water can be visually apparent as a blue, green, or brown colored staining on fixtures and clothes. And for your health concerns, acidic drinking water is the exact opposite of healthy alkaline water. Let's get rid of the acidic water. What we like about the SoftPro is that it uses an advanced neutralizing technology to protect your home from these harmful chemicals and contaminants. This filtration system will raise the pH to 7.0, making it non-acidic and non-corrosive, so you and your family can enjoy quality water throughout your home. This advanced calcite filter is low maintenance and has a much longer lifespan than any other traditional high-maintenance calcite filters. The SoftPro can also operate at higher flow rates to increase better performance without affecting your water pressure. In addition to the long-life filter technology, the SoftPro pH Neutralizer water filter comes with 1-inch high-flow control valve, an easy-to-read LCD screen, a lifetime warranty on the control valve and tank. With all these benefits, it's easy to see why customers love it. We hope that this review has helped you narrow down which filter is the best fit for your needs. And if you have any questions, our team of water treatment consultants are here to help you. Feel free to connect with us by chat, email, or just give us a call. Our goal is to help you and your family live healthier and happier lives by providing accurate information on quality water treatment solutions. Wishing you and everyone an amazing day.